Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to be riding my dirt bike around West Virginia. Usually I just do it in my neighborhood, but this time we're somewhere way different. Gonna get it on the chest strap right now, and hopefully, pretty cool. So, let's get started. I forgot to put my kickstand up. Alright, I'm in second gear right now. I'm gonna switch to third soon. I'm still in second gear. Oh shoot, I turned way too early, I meant late. Oh crap, I just ran over a huge log. Oh my god. I just went 42 miles per hour. I'm in third gear now. Holy crap, I am flying.